Board, kumusta ang resolution nga ginduso mo pagi sa privilege speech nga revitalizing our local water districts?
Sang meeting namon last week sa National Executive Board of the Provincial Board Members League of the Philippines, we have discussed that as one of the agenda, and the resolution that we have passed, including the endorsement of the Provincial Board of the Province of Iloilo, was already submitted to Congress by our national chairman. So we are waiting for Congressman Marcoleta to act upon the request for an inquiry. And so we will be waiting for his recommendation or action on the request for congressional inquiry.
Okay. Sing kahapon nagbukas ang JRMP II, may impact ini sa posible amendments ninyo?
Amendments for the
Kung may inog-amend ka mo sa sining local water districts naton sa aton layi, ma-include ayan ng posibleng malakip diri ang party sa JRMP kung paano naton siya magamit ang tubig sa JRMP?
Yes, tama na kadako kay balan mo. That will be basically the source of water is ground, no?
Yes.
And others are the rivers, kag kung ano pa da nga mga body of water. With the opening of this Halaur, no, dam, it will create a big impact, especially on the source of water supply. And with this, I think this will be an opportune time for other water districts to open up, to be created with the source of water coming from the Halaur, not only on groundwater, no, not to be dependent only on the groundwater. So this will create a big impact, I think, no, because this caters 29 municipalities in the province.
Okay. So kami ara kita sang Metro Pacific Iloilo Water kag South Balibago nga nag-supply diri sa city. Kag kabalo kita may mga banwa nga wala iya sang water district nga naga-rely sini subong sa ila. Ma-include man ini sa posible ninyo pagalantawon?
I think that will be included kay aside from the operation of these private entities, the creation of a local water district in the local government unit is mandated under PD 198, no? It will be dependent, however, kay kung may mga private concessionaire na nga nag-operate.
Yes.
If there is still a possibility nga mag-create sila sang local water districts and how viable it is, no, to operate. So that is one concern that the local government unit will have to consider, and any prospector for that matter.